Hello guys, and this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can set a daily reminder for your tasks and subtasks in the Any.do application on your mobile phone like your Android. So let us begin. Launch the Any.do application on your Android and navigate to all tasks here at the bottom. And just for the sake of this tutorial, let me add a new task by tapping into this plus button next to today. So what you want to do is next is create a new task. So let me go with one like this, wake up early, for instance. And after that, tap into that checkmark button in the bottom right corner. And now guys, you can add a reminder, a daily reminder or weekly reminder for each of your upcoming tasks. To do that, simply tap into the given task you'd like to edit. Let me go with that wake up early task here. And here it says reminder guys, tap into it. And after that, simply switch from one-time reminder to repeat. Select daily, or you can go with weekly, monthly, yearly, and so on and so forth. Let me go with daily. Set a start date below. So let us start that reminder tomorrow, November 3rd on Monday. You may also set an hour of the day. So let me set the reminder to 6 a.m. in the morning to get up really early. Tap into OK and confirm by tapping into set here. Save your reminder. And from now on, guys, you will be reminded for the upcoming task on a daily basis at the specific time of the day here. Don't forget to save your changes here in the top right. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.